Bullish stepn. GMT. Cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $0.966646 and $1.83 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $0.751836 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.171848. stepn. GMT. Presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost forecast. On the whole, we should view the fundamental presentation of this money in the event that you need a decent profit from your productive venture from it. stepn. The primary NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea is a solid way of life application with social money, social and play to acquire games viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start Hacking Rivalry prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The Green Metaverse Token, GMT, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can recommend and settle on project progressions and depository conveyance. Prior to making a stepn cost, we look at what is GMT, stepn, also GMT, stepn specialized in key investigation. We should check it out. What is stepn, GMT? stepn is a Web3 move to procure versatile application with parts for social and gaming finance. Gamefi and Socialfi. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The task deals with the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is the vast majority's ordinary action. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the primary venture to coordinate the move to procure idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a huge number of clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high emission vehicles. Then again, the social money part of stepn expects to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. stepn. GMT. Crucial examination brokers utilize specialized investigation to zero in on a resources exhibition, often down to the moment on exchanging outlines, though major exploration does the specific opposite. Exchanges are zoomed out. This gives them an exhaustive information and comprehension of the resource and the association that upholds it. The genuine worth of a resource is what essential examination means to distinguish. For instance, by considering various inner and outer rules, you might decide if a digital money is overrated. You have without a doubt heard the saying, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the principal thought of the key investigation. Financial backers that stick to key investigation contend that the primary indicator of a resource's future exhibition is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers trying to buy reasonable resources, this is a superb strategy. There are many offers for GMT according to verifiable information. The incentive is improved on the grounds that it isn't covered. The whole mining environment knows about the advantages of keeping up with the organization. There is no hurry to get to an asserted hard cap at this moment. Possibilities for the web are balanced out thus. Along these lines, the worth of stepn can increment, further guaranteeing biological system development. More stepn can be acquired to keep the biological system working accurately. stepn use is supposed to develop yearly, raising the cash's worth. stepn. GMT. Current value stepn is at present worth $0.21481 United States dollars. GMT has moved 1.18% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $28,486,030. stepn is at present position 126 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $218,414,175 United States dollars. Using the overall strength list, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for stepn. GMT. To conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant stepn, GMT, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. stepn, GMT. Value Forecast 2023 STEPN, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year, GMT. The GMT cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0.322215. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be progressive. However, no significant drops are normal, averaging $0.300734 and cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.257772. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. STEPN GMT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $0.537026. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the GMT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.429621 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.472583. STEPN, GMT, Value Forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.751836 and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.687393 and a low of $0.644431 in 2025. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2026. In the event that STEPN effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.966646 with a base cost of $0.859241 and a typical cost of $0.902203. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.12 by 2027. With a base cost of $1.07 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $1.18. STEPN, GMT, Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around